or to be a criminal in the killing of American people. They haven't found, they even exchanged those Taliban leadership prisoners. Now, as I say, Afghan people were forced to take up arms, and they were sent in the arms of ISI of Pakistan. These are the driving forces. What forces our people to go and take up arms? Those mass murders, those nitrates, those gang rapes, the warlords commit crimes, and the bombings of the weddings, burning of Quran, desecration of our people. These all force our people to take up arms. Why? Nobody gives them justice. Why justice is being denied? The reason, again, we were thinking it's a mistake, it's a process. But this was again a deliberate action to deny Afghan victims from justice and force them to take up arms. These are the examples. I will jump from these examples and I will give you some pictures. These are people, human beings like us. In just one bomb, they were killed. This is the bombing of a wedding. Why it happened? It's not once, it's not twice, it's not 3 times. It's for the past 35 years. Russians were doing the same. United States and allies are doing the same. This is a bride from my village. I know her. She had nothing to do with Taliban or Al-Qaeda. In the night raid, in a close range, she was killed with her husband. Her husband wasn't even a Talib. He was just a former young boy. I feel the pain. I don't know how can I convey the pain of my people to you here. This is another bride. This is again from Wردګ province, from my village. My people, I know them personally. My father and mother told me the stories. Why? Nobody can answer. They were not given justice. They were denied justice. You know what was the effect of these 2 killings? The whole village turned into Taliban. I send them messages, let's seek justice. Let's come to Kabul and seek for justice. And they give me examples of other families even in Kabul who were gang raped by warlords and told us, where is that family? That's in Quetta. Has taken arms. Nobody gave them justice. They went to Karzai, to the government. They were denied justice, and forced to take up arms. Once you're forced to take up arms, this is General Atta, the evil king of North Afghanistan. He's aiming a gun into a surrendered Taliban. He's not fighting, he's a surrender. And these are the young 16,000 Afghans, part of the state of the Taliban, whether you call them, whatever problems you have with the Taliban ideological, that's entirely your opinion. But why the surrendered young soldiers be butchered in the containers? 16,000 of them vanished by General Dostum, who is Vice President of Afghanistan, who is running Afghanistan today. And these were done under CIA's eyes and ears. But again, we were thinking in the past, these are mistakes. I don't look at it mistake anymore. These were deliberate actions of victimizing Pashtuns in general, in particular, and some others to send them into the arms and then in the arms of ISI. These are young children. This is in Kuna province. A bomb was dropped. They have got no other injuries. A sound effect in bomb killed them, martyred them. This is the pain of my people. This is what happens. Nobody in the international community cares about our lives. But we still carry on. We still say these things that we are human beings, like any other human being in the world. How could Barack Obama stand shoulder to shoulder with France, which I support, but how could he morally justify a partnership with those warlords, human rights violators and mass murderers in the killings and crimes against such my children, my members of family? They're human beings, imagine. What crimes have they committed? Why? Why we again question? I've been questioning this for the past 14 years, and these people all know me. They call me crazy. Fahim, Wordeg is crazy. Keep away from me. Yes, I am crazy. This is my craziness. Because I'm telling the truth. Telling the truth is difficult. Even I remember when I said the same things in 2007 in Foreign Office, a friend left my hand and said, keep away from me. Because you tell the truth, British people would kill you, and I don't want to be killed with you. And I said, they wouldn't kill me because they hear the truth. Those people here, they have to be influenced. The same way Nelson Mandela influenced them, the same way Gandhiji influenced them. To tell them the truth, these people are also being kept away from the truth as we are being. These people in the West are also being poisoned as we are poisoned with poisonous information. This is, again, the burning of dead bodies of Afghans. And they put on media, in the past I was thinking this was a mistake, but I still believe, now believe, after whole research, that this is a deliberate action. Why? The victimized Pashtun, deny them justice, send them in the arms of ISI to take apart and come back, and somebody's going to profit from it, somebody's going to make $1 trillion booty. Where did it go? And I'm coming to that.